down a little. Good. Oh, slow down. Just hold it there for a minute. Is it heavy? What's in there? Do you remember?
No.
What? Egg.
And milk.
And?
Cheese.
And what else is there? Is it butter? Okay. You want to do a little bit more?
A lot. Not all of it.
Just half of it. Ooh, good job. Okay, wait.
But I want it to be
And then you can do the rest of it here in just a minute. Oops.
Oh no.
Oh no. Okay, last of it. I'm ready.
All of it.
All of it. Good job.
Then we put it over here. Then,
Where's
can I sew it? Can I sew it?
Sure.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
It's hard.
It is hard to stir, isn't it?
Dad, look what I'm doing. I'm making a cake.
What kind of cake?
Strawberry. I can do it all myself. I'm really strong.
You are really strong.
Oopsie.
Keep it inside the bowl
Why?
so that we can make biscuits out of it.